afternoon, everybody. Today's actually a pretty cool day. Today we're gonna get our first look at the C8, and I'm excited about this. I've been excited about this car for a while, and now I'm actually gonna get to see it. And it's taken forever to get down here in Florida, but yeah, we're gonna go take a look at it. I'm waiting on Javi. We're gonna go pick up we might pick up Rob with the Z011 LE Camaro, so we won't show up to a Chevy dealer with only Mustangs. But yeah, it's an exciting day. I think this is a pretty cool car, and I personally think this car is a game changer. But I'll get into that later throughout the video, let you know my thoughts on the car. But let's go. I'm waiting on Javi, so you know something. We're always waiting on Javi. I know he's gonna say no, you're always waiting on me, but we're always waiting on him. All right, Javi's here. We had to work on his car again. I can't move. Rob's car, Z011 LE. That car sounds good. He's got it's basically a straight pipe, but that thing sounds pretty good. So we're on our way to see what all this hype is with the C8. Look at that. The big bad V8 need gas. I don't need gas. V6 life.
You ain't getting gas.
They don't even have your kind of gas here.
I checked it. I'm getting like 12.
This is the hour, the darkest place, the devil's maze. It's a good world. Good world gone bad.
I love the way those cars sound. Beautiful.
It's a good world. Good world gone bad.
Here it is, guys, the C8.
Go back and look at this back end a little more.
Only like 4.
Interior is beautiful.
Want to try her out? Bottom of the door.
All the colors. Kind of like that. This is rapid blue. Accelerate yellow. I like both of them a lot. Shower gray is nice. Matrix gray. The Long Beach is nice too. You know my wife likes it. It's wrong. I'm not saying much because I just want to look at it. Just admire it. Honestly, it's a beautiful car. What do you think, Howie?
Just getting old.
It's good.
I think it's good.
I gotta
as a
look
car.
at it a little bit more, but first impression right off the back, it looks good.
Yeah.
I like it. You gotta get rid
I
of
mean,
it.
and I look at it and I could just start thinking of things I could do to it.
Let's go get in line with Rob.
Go on. So let me know what you guys think. I think it's an absolutely beautiful car, but you know, it still needs to be proven. But the car is definitely going to be impressive. That car is a game changer when it comes to the automotive world. That kind of power in a mid-engine sports car that looks like that is pretty damn impressive. So let me know what you guys think, guys. I want to know how you guys feel about this car, and just to see if we could agree or not. I'm a Ford guy, I always will be, but I'd buy that car. Drive this car. I enjoy it thoroughly. Garage. You know why? We've had enough Chevy. We're gonna come eat at Ford's. That's right. Yeah. All right. over here at Ford's. We're gonna get something to eat, and yeah, we gotta knock off some of the Chevy offers. But anyways, really enjoyed that car. Beautiful car. The C8 is an awesome car. Code for this video is C8. So there you go. There's the code. So give us a thumbs up, like, comment. Let us know what you think about the C8. We'd like to know. So see you guys on the next one.